What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we are unboxing and getting a close-up look at the brand new Tesla CyberTruck Hot Wheels ID. Now, if you've been following closely, you might realize that this is now our third variation of a 1 in 64 Tesla CyberTruck. This is the first variation that we got, which was the mainline edition right here. So really nice in its mainline edition form. And then we did get the 1 in 64 Hot Wheels RC edition of the Tesla CyberTruck. But the Hot Wheels ID variation is actually quite a bit different. I'm going to show you why right now. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So typical in Hot Wheels ID fashion, we've got the nice white box, the ID. And the one thing, if you look at the picture closely, that you will notice, we do have that little Tesla quad that's in the back of this one, which is super cool. We did get that one in the 1 in 10 scale Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck, which I did unbox, and I'll link that up in the top and down below for you guys if you guys haven't seen that yet. But there we go. We've got the Cybertruck in there. Let's go ahead and take this apart and get a close-up look, and then we'll do a little bit of a comparison with our original release and the RC 1 in 64 release. So our Hot Wheels ID box, you can see, and the cool part about opening, I love opening the Hot Wheels ID cars, because when we open them up, we grab it like this, and we just kind of pop it open just like that, and it kind of just delivers the car to us right there. So let's go ahead and take that off right there. I'll put the packaging aside right here as I throw it around. And here we have it right here. And let's go ahead and look at that CyberQuad inside. Isn't that cool? Like, it's got this completely open here. It's obviously just all molded. You can't take it out or move it or anything like that, but it's just a really cool new detail to the Hot Wheels ID variation. The paint job on it is very similar to the original release, although it's a little bit more of a Spectra flame, so it's a little bit higher quality. We do have the blacked out wheels on there. I mean, and that's your Cybertruck design. There's really not a lot to it. It's kind of a love it or hate it type design, as you can see right here. We've got a little license plate right there, which says Cybertruck in really tiny writing, which is a good little detail as well. But we do have the interior look on this one as well. You can see the molded interior on the inside. We'll grab our original release right here. Nope, that's our RC one. We'll grab our original one right here. We'll put the RC one down for a side, and you can see the difference. So if we have our original one, you can see how they have that back right there, the back cover, whereas this one, we've got it completely open. Paint wise, like I said, it's very similar paint wise, and we can actually see through both of them on the interior, so very similar in that aspect. If we look from the side right here, the wheels on the ID edition, or sorry, the tires, I should say, they're just your standard tires on here, just your flat plastic ones, whereas the tires on the original release of the Cybertruck, the mainline variation, has these big rugged tires on there. So quite a bit different when it comes to the tires. This is more of the road going variation, and this is more the off-road variation, but then we do have that open quad in the back. To be honest, I would love to see a premium edition of the Tesla Cybertruck released, and then we can get like maybe some Real Rider tires on there, some big fat ones, like big fat Real Riders like this, and then have the quad on the inside, and we get a combination of all the good stuff right there. We'll put those aside. And we got our RC variation. So the RC variation, you can see the paint job, it's more of a silver paint job. It doesn't have that kind of Spectra look to it. It doesn't have the open back. And it's obviously a lot lighter. It's got the insides of your RC. And we'll go ahead and grab, here, we'll do a little comparison. We'll grab our Hot Wheels ID variation, and there's our quad variation, so you can see the difference in the paint job on those ones right there, whereas this is more that raw Zamac finish, and this is just a standard finish to it, but still fantastic. We'll grab all three of them right there so we can get a nice look at them, but they are just great looking cars all around. I mean, like I said, love it or hate it with the Tesla Cybertruck, but the fact that we now have 3 different 1 in 64 scale editions of this, I think it's amazing. Guys, if you like these, comment down below. Let me know which one's your favorite. And don't forget to check out the 1 in 10 scale Hot Wheels RC, which I will link down below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.